And here's I will show you how to export data from Bluesky Social app. Go ahead and open Bluesky Social app on your mobile phone and make sure to sign into your Bluesky account. Now from your Bluesky Social app homepage, tap on this hamburger menu and here tap on settings. Once you are in your account settings page, here tap on account and under account settings here tap on export my data. And here we can see your account repository containing all public data records can be downloaded as a CAR file. This file does not include media embeds such as images or your private data, which must be faced separately. So all you have to need, tap on download CAR file, and after a few moments you have to select here the folder or directory where you want to save your data. So in my case, I'm selecting my internal storage and selecting download folder, and here I'm selecting this folder and selecting use this folder, and now allow Bluesky to access files in test. I'm selecting here allow, and that's it. I've successfully exported my all Bluesky social app data in my files app. Now let's go to our file manager or files app, and here I'm going to my download folder, opening test folder, and here we can see my Bluesky data file, CAR file. So that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.